In a world overflowing with medicines, modern, herbal, traditional, alternative, where every system claims to heal, yet people still wake up in pain, still search for answers, still cry silently at night, still wonder why healing feels so far away. One truth rises above the chaos. People are tired, people are confused, people are suffering quietly behind smiles, people are drowning in advice but starving for clarity. Because behind every illness, there is a human being, a story, a heart that just wants peace. Modern medicine continues to grow as global demand rises. And when a life is slipping away, when a heartbeat is fading, when seconds decide destiny, modern medicine becomes the miracle. In those moments, no debate matters, only the doctor who runs toward danger while everyone else runs away. Ayurveda. The first medical system on the earth evolves into new formats, but its ancient soul gets lost behind colorful capsules and tablets that look more modern than natural. Herbal medicine expands with thousands of supplements. Then come the nutrition experts. Eat this, don't eat that, fasting, intermittent fasting, detox, so many rules, so many restrictions. Yet people still feel lost, still feel guilty, still feel unsure. Homeopathy, the water-based energetic system, becomes one of the world's largest traditions, but one medicine in 10 potencies. Which one to choose, which one not, leaving people more confused than healed. And then the external therapies, massage, acupressure, acupuncture, chakra balancing, kundalini activation, so many techniques, so many promises, yet people are still suffering, still searching, still hoping. Because the truth is, people don't want 20 treatments. They want one path that makes sense. Somewhere, something changed. Holistic healing became crowded and complex. So many methods, so many directions, so many treatments, and the person, already in pain, becomes overwhelmed. In the end, the patient who wanted fewer medicines often ends up taking more herbs, more vitamins, more combinations. Not reducing, just replacing. This is not wrong. This is simply too much. And behind all systems, one truth stands unshaken. Most holistic systems today are not purely natural anymore. They use plant extracts, animal-based substances, synthetic vitamins, lab-made minerals, bacteria-based preparations, virus-derived remedies, chemical isolates, and still call it nature. That is not pure nature. And behind all systems, one truth remains. Every holistic practitioner still depends on modern medical diagnosis, blood tests, scans, reports, modern tools that reveal the truth inside the body. Yet many holistic practitioners still criticize modern doctors, even though modern doctors are the ones who carry the entire emergency burden of the world. We live on a planet with 8 billion people, 8 billion stories, 8 billion struggles, 8 billion hopes. If every person needs relief, modern medicine has the infrastructure to meet that urgent life-saving demand. Modern doctors are the ones who answer emergency calls, who save lives in minutes, and who carry the weight of society when time is running out. They are the silent guardians. We only remember when we need them most. Because while holistic systems have become crowded, nature still heals conditions where modern medicine has no answers, no clear diagnosis, no permanent solution. This is the silent truth. Modern medicine is powerful in emergencies and surgeries. Nature is powerful in chronic healing. Modern medicine saves lives. Nature restores lives. Modern medicine controls disease. Nature corrects imbalance. Modern medicine gives speed. Nature gives depth. So finally, the truth becomes clear. Modern medicine is good on one side. Holistic nature-based healing is good on the other side. Both are needed. Both are sacred. Both are incomplete alone. Why criticize? Why compete? Why divide? Why fight for superiority when the patient simply wants to heal? No one should not criticize each other. They should strengthen themselves, simplify themselves, and return to their original purity. So, instead of criticizing, the medical and holistic world must ask, how do we improve? how do we simplify? How do we return to nature? How do we cooperate? Because the real solution appears only when both sides unite. The future is one system. Nature gives the foundation. Science gives the clarity. Together, they give the solution. This is the new era: integrated medicine, nature, plus modern science. Not competition, not criticism, not confusion, but collaboration. Your body whispers early imbalance. Your tests confirm the picture. Together, they guide you with clarity. No guessing, no confusion. And finally, the purest path of all. If you wish to simplify your life, if you wish to avoid unnecessary medicines, if you want to save time, save money, save your health, return to nature. Nature gives you enlightenment. Science gives you knowledge. Two separate paths. One single goal. This is the new era: integrated medicine, nature, modern science. The return to nature. Nature offers one unified foundation: pure plants, natural minerals, ancient alchemy, modern evidence. Safe, gentle, effective. Nature does not replace diagnosis. It completes it. At last, ancient wisdom and modern science unite to form a single, pure system. Plant alone plant. Plants are a great option not only for health, but also for the environment and climate. While animal-based remedies aren't considered natural, herbal or homeopathic ones are often used, even though they can sometimes be unsuitable for humans. Still, holistic practices often classify them as vegetarian. How does that add up? When holistic practices and science come together in harmony, nature empowers plants with healing properties. These plants offer remedies valued by the holistic community and recognized by science as well. Come, join us. Learn nature, learn science, learn how both become one. We demonstrate ancient wisdom through a modern approach, so healing becomes simple again.